Hey authors! As I'm sure you all know, Facebook is the most popular social media platform and is one of the best places for authors to engage with readers. My name is Kelsey Worsham, and today I'll be walking you through step-by-step instructions on how to set up a Facebook author page if you don't have one yet. To create a Facebook author page, you will need to start with a personal Facebook account. At the top right, there is a Create button. Click it and then select Page. Next, click on Community or Public Figure. Next, enter the name for your page and select Author for the category. Some authors will also include Author in the page name to help avoid confusion. Next, you will be prompted to upload a profile photo for your page. We recommend using a headshot so readers can see you and know you are a real person. After the profile photo, you will be prompted to upload a cover photo. For this, many authors will include images of their books or a scene that relates to their genre. Remember, you can always change these later or skip them for now, so don't let this hold you up from filling out the rest of your page. Also, you can use tools like Canva to create images that are the right size for Facebook, to optimize your readers' ability to read and share them across both mobile and desktop. Lastly, you will be taken to your page and will be able to fill out your profile with information about yourself and your books, a profile picture, a header image, and links to your website and other social media profiles. Here are two examples of some awesome Facebook author profiles, starting with Audrey Carlin. Note how her profile includes one of her books, her header photo prompts her new series, and her bio talks about the type of books she writes. Next, on Harlan Coben's page, look how his header photo is a perfect example of how to use your header photo as an advertising opportunity. Alrighty authors, there you have it. Everything you need to know to set up a Facebook author page of your very own. Now time to get social and connect with your next best reader. Bye.